Good morning. How are you all? Today, let us start the first activity of Unit 2, that is Listen and Act. In Activity 1, we are going to do a paper folding activity.
Take a square sheet of paper. Fold it along the middle horizontally. Then fold it again vertically as shown. You get a folded square. Now fold one of the flaps backwards. Fold the remaining 3 flaps as shown. Now you get a triangle. Put your finger inside the triangle to make a cap. Now make the 2 ends of the cap meet. Carefully pull the base. Pull the flaps outwards. Press them sideways. Your boat is ready.
Open your textbook of English, unit number 2, activity number 2 and page number 16. On page number 16, activity 2A is given. Look at that page. Students, in this activity, we are going to prepare something very interesting. We will prepare a trap to catch mosquitoes or house flies or honeybees, right? તમે જોયું હશે કે there are some instructions also given for that. There are pictures also. So we will read the instructions. We will also take help of pictures. We will understand them and we will prepare the trap. હવે આ trap શું છે? That we will study. અને તેનો અર્થ પણ તમને ખબર પડશે. You can also see there is a paragraph given in the activity, right? So let's start reading the paragraph.
A. Homemade housefly, honeybee trap. Mosquitoes and flies are nasty pests. They spread malaria, cholera and typhoid. We have a swarms of flies and mosquitoes in monsoon and winter. We try to kill them, but it is very difficult to catch a fly or a mosquito. So we become the victims of their bites. We apply many insecticides, but they are not much effective. Here is an easy solution. We can prepare a trap to catch and kill the flies and mosquitoes. It is a simple trap. To make this trap, we require the following things. 1. An empty plastic bottle of water. 2. A pair of scissors. 3. Sellotape, gum tape. 4. Dishwashing liquid and water. 5. Food items. Very small pieces of apple, 5 grams of sugar and a few drops of lemon juice. Follow the instructions. 1. Take a plastic bottle. Cut it into 2 pieces as shown in the picture. 2. Remove the cap first. Turn the small piece upside down. Put the neck part into the bottle. 3. Attach the 2 parts with a staple or a piece of tape. 4. Put or drop the food at the bottom of the bottle. Our device, the mosquito trap, is ready. Hang it inside your house or room. How it works? Sugar water, dishwashing liquid and other food items will attract the flies and mosquitoes. They will enter the trap. They will fall into the liquid. Their wings will be wet. They will not be able to fly back. Note: the distance between the upside down neck and the liquid at the bottom should not be more than 2 cm.
Children, we have prepared the mosquito trap. Now let's see how it works. Look at the screen. I am reading. Sugar water, dishwashing liquid and other food items will attract the flies and mosquitoes. They will enter the trap. They will fall into the liquid. Their wings will be wet. They will not be able to fly back. Children, we have read about how the mosquito trap works. Now let's see how it works. Children, this is the mosquito trap that we have prepared. Here comes the mosquito. You can see the food items that are there in the bottle, they attract the mosquito and flies. The mosquitoes enter into the bottle, but due to the liquid, their wings get wet. So they are not able to fly back. Right? This is how they get trapped in the mosquito trap.
Now, on the basis of your knowledge of the instructions, let's do the task B. અહીંયા બાળમિત્રો થોડા ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન્સ આપેલા છે. તમારે એ સાચા છે કે ખોટા છે એ જોવાનું છે. You have to see if the instructions are true or false. પણ યાદ રહે, જે સ્ટેટમેન્ટ્સ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન્સ ફોલ્સ હોય એનો કરેક્ટ ફોર્મ તમારે આપવાનું છે. Now let's read the instructions. Students, I am reading the instruction of task B. Write T for true or F for false in the box. Correct the false statements and write them. Here comes the first instruction. Mosquitoes and flies are our competitors. It's false, so write F. But remember, you have to correct the false statements. Write the correct statement. The correct sentence is mosquitoes and flies are nasty pests. Let's move on to second instruction. Mosquitoes prepare a simple trap to kill man. False. So write F. Mosquitoes don't prepare a trap. We prepare. So men prepare a simple trap to kill mosquitoes. Let's move on to third instruction. Here comes the third instruction. Don't remove the bottom of the bottle. If you remove the bottom of the bottle, where will you put the food items? So it's true. Write T in the box. What will you write in this blank? Statement is true, so no need to write anything here in this blank. Leave it blank. Let's move on to fourth instruction. Two parts of the bottle are attached. Did we stitch or attach the parts of the bottle? Yes. Very good. So what will come in the box? Tell me quickly. T for true. This also goes blank. Chalo. હવે fifth and last instruction. Use scissors to cut the food item. The statement is false. F. So tell me the correct statement. Use scissors is wrong. So what will we write here? Use knife to cut the food items. Students, I am reading instruction for task C. Fill in the blanks using the words in the brackets. Where are the brackets? Yes, here are the words given in the brackets. Took, scissors, cut, upside down, removed, sticky tape and attached. Students, in your textbook some other word is given. Which is that word? Stitched. The more appropriate word would be attached. So replace the word with this, attached. I am giving the spelling also. A double T A C H E D. attached. Students, write this word in place of stitched in your textbook. બધા વિદ્યાર્થીઓ આ શબ્દ સ્ટિચ્ડની જગ્યા લખી લો. took, T-O-O-K, took a bottle. I dash the bottle with dash. What have you written over here? Correct answer is C-U-T. Cut. Cut the bottle with what? Yes, what have you written over here? With what you can cut the bottle? Very good. Scissors. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S. તમે scissors word પણ use કરી લીધું. Cut is also done. Let's move on to third instruction. I dash the cap. Do you remember? Recall. What did he do with the cap? Yes, Mahesh removed. R-E-M-O-V-E-D. જે મિત્રોના જવાબ ખોટા પડ્યા હોય એમને ચિંતા નહીં કરવાની. સાચો જવાબ તમે સુધારીને લખી શકો છો. અને ટ્રાય ટુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ. કેપને રિમૂવ કર્યું હતું ને. આઈ રિમૂવ્ડ ધી કેપ. આઈ ટુક અ બોટલ. દેન આઈ કટ ધી બોટલ વિથ સીઝર્સ. આઈ removed the cap. ચલો, removed પણ યુઝ થઈ ગયું છે. હવે બાકીના 3 વર્ડ્સ અને 3 blanks. Then I put the part dash on the bottle. ટોપ પાર્ટને કઈ પોઝિશનમાં મૂક્યું હતું? યસ, upside down. U-P-S-I-D-E. Upside down. D-O-W-N. Then I put the part upside down on the bottle. Upside down is also used. I took a bottle. I cut the bottle with scissors. I removed the cap. Then I put the part upside down on the bottle. Yes. What is the correct word? Attached. A-T-T-A-C-H-E-D. Attached. I attached both the parts with a, and the only word remained is sticky tape. Yes, we attached both the parts with a sticky. S-T-I-C-K-Y. Sticky. T-A-P-E. Tape. My trap was ready. And your answer is also complete. Students, on the screen you can see the correct answers. I am giving you enough time to write down the answers in your textbooks. So now we are done with task C. Now it's time to move on to task D. Here you are supposed to make the mosquito trap on your own. So whenever you find free time, make the mosquito trap for your own and try to tell the instructions to your friends also.
we are going to do activity 3. Read the process stitching buttons. Things required: needle, thread, buttons, piece of cloth. Steps: take a needle, take a piece of thread, put through the pointed thread in the needle eye, match both the ends of the thread, make a knot, put a button at the proper place of the cloth, pierce the needle from beneath the cloth, match the button hole and needle point, pass the needle through the buttonhole, stretch the needle to the full length, pierce the needle beneath the buttonhole, pierce it upward and downward for 3 to 4 times. In the end, bring the needle beneath the cloth, tie knot beneath the cloth and cut the thread. Now friends, let us do this activity not only through reading but by doing it. And for that, we have a friend. Let me invite her. Welcome. Hello.
Thank you. Hello, I am Eva. I am from Anand.
Eva is a standard 7 student. She is going to do activity 3. Eva, do you have required things?
Yes.
A needle? Oh, you have 3 needles. Great. And a thread? Oh, you have a thread also. Fine. And buttons? Oh, you have, how many buttons do you have?
4.
4 and
1 big.
that means you have 5 buttons.
Yes.
And a piece of cloth. Oh, such a big piece of cloth. Okay, fine. And anything else?
Yes.
Scissors. For what? To cut the thread?
Yes.
Okay. So friends, we have a needle. Okay, you have 2 needles and thread. We have a thread with different color.
Yes.
Good. And buttons.
5.
5 buttons. 1 big button and
4 small buttons.
very good. And what else do you have?
Scissor.
Scissors. Most important required thing, that is a piece of cloth. So we have a very small piece of cloth. Let's start the activity. Eva, let us do step 1. Take a needle. Not two, 1. We need only 1 needle. Okay. And take a thread. Okay, good. Now put through the pointed thread in the needle eye. So friends, this is the eye of the needle. This is the point. Now you need to pass this thread through the needle's eye. Okay, good. How do you make it pointed? Wow, good. Now Eva, put the pointed part of the thread through the needle's eye. Good. Okay, slowly match both the ends of the thread. Eva, how many ends this thread has?
2.
Good. Match them. Okay. So we are matching the ends of the thread. We are matching them. And now a knot. Making a knot. For safety, I am again making one more knot.
Yes.
Good. Now next step, put a button at the proper place of the cloth. You want a big button, right? And you want in the middle. You want it at the middle. So this will be the proper place for Eva. If I want to put the button here, then this will be my proper place. Each one has different proper place. Eva's proper place is the center of the cloth. Pierce the needle from beneath the cloth. That is our next step.
What do you mean of pairs?
I mean pierce, not pairs. By pierce, I mean P-I-E-R-C-E. I mean this. Piercing the needle from the cloth. This is piercing. Got it? Pierce. Oh no, not from upside, Eva. From beneath the cloth. What is our step? Pierce the needle from beneath the cloth. For that, you need to match the hole of the button and the needle's point. How many holes can you see, Eva?
2.
Okay. So, match one of the hole with the needle's point. Okay. And slowly pass the needle through the button's hole. Now the next hole. Pierce it upward and downward for 3 or 4 times. So now the needle is in your hand and it's upward. We need to take it downward, pierce it, match with the hole and okay, good. Stretch it from downward. Good. We need to do the same process 2 and 3 times. For that, again match the needle's point with the hole and pierce. Okay, good. And stretch it upward. Good. Second hole, match the point and match the point with the hole and the cloth and stretch it slowly downward. Okay, one more time. Match the hole and the point. Match. Okay, you are matching. Good. Not matching? Let me help you. Now you can stretch it. Good. Upward. Now it's time for downward. Pierce the needle. Good. And stretch it downward. Friends, Eva has done the procedure very well. I am repeating some of the steps. See, this is the point of the needle. I am matching it with the hole, piercing from the beneath and stretching it upward. Now it's time to go downward. So once again, my point of the needle, hole of the button, matching and piercing and stretching from beneath the cloth. Now it's time to tie the knot. See, we can tie a knot this way also. You all know these things. Just we need to remember English words for the things and the process. See, I tied the knot and I'm repeating the knot once again to make it secure this way, and now I am cutting the thread with the scissors. So our button is ready on a piece of cloth. Thank you, Eva, for helping us in this activity stitching a button. એટલે હવે પછી તમે કોઈ વાર સ્ટિચિંગનું કામ લઈને બેસો તો એ બધા શબ્દો નીડલ, થ્રેડ, મેચિંગ ધ હોલ્સ વગેરે વાપરજો હો. તો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, જોઈને આજનો ક્લાસ પૂરો થવાનો સમય થઈ ગયો. મને તો મજા આવી, લાગે છે તમને પણ મજા પડી છે. તો મજા કરતાં કરતાં મજાની બાય બાય.
Today's question: food items attract the flies and blank. For that, options are here. Option A, mosquitoes. Option B, bottle. Option C, trap. Option D, tea. For blank, choose your correct answer and give your response to this toll-free number 6357399470.
નમસ્તે બાળ દોસ્તો. તારીખ 1 જાન્યુઆરી 2021નો પ્રશ્ન હતો. સૌ વિજેતાઓને અભિનંદન આપીને પ્રથમ 10 ક્રમના વિજેતાઓના નામ ઘોષિત કરીએ છીએ. 1. આરતીબેન વિષ્ણુભાઈ પટેલ, ખાડકી પ્રાથમિક શાળા, પારડી, જિલ્લો વલસાડ. 2. કૃષ્ણા જયલેશ કુમાર માછી, ઉમેટા પ્રાથમિક શાળા, તાલુકો આંકલાવ, જિલ્લો આણંદ. 3. યશવી પંકજભાઈ જોશી, BM પટેલ પ્રાથમિક શાળા, ધ્રોળ, જિલ્લો જામનગર. 4. ઝાલા શ્રદ્ધાબા મહાવીરસિંહ શ્રેષ્ઠ વિદ્યાલય, મોરબી 2, જિલ્લો મોરબી. 5. શુભ બલવંતભાઈ કિટાણી, PP સવાવન સ્કૂલ, ખોડિયારનગર બ્રાન્ચ, સુરત. 6. દવરા ધે પંકજકુમાર, શ્રી નવાગામ ગાયકવાડી પ્રાથમિક શાળા, તાલુકો વલભીપુર, જિલ્લો ભાવનગર. 7. કાર્તિક કુમાર જિગ્નેશભાઈ હાલાપતિ, સરસ્વતી મંદિર ગોડાલી, તાલુકો જલાલપોર, જિલ્લો નવસારી. 8. મેઘના ચંદ્રકાંત જયપાલ, નિશાન સ્કૂલ, રાણી, અમદાવાદ. 9. યશવી નિલેશ કુમાર સોની, KN શાહ શાળા, મોડાસા, અરવલ્લી. અને 10. ત્વિષા વિરેન્દ્રસિંહ રૌલજી, સરદાર વલ્લભભાઈ વિદ્યાલય, જિલ્લો વડોદરા. સૌ વિજેતાઓને અભિનંદન. ધન્યવાદ.